What do you think about the Albanian Santorini?
Really nice, impressive.
So far we explored Shkoda in the north of Albania, the beautiful Berat and the Tomor National Park, and the beautiful beaches Gjipe and Palase. Our road trip has been absolutely stunning so far. Now it was time to discover some more beaches in Dhermi.
What is up, guys? Welcome to another day in the very beautiful Albania. Today we are in Dhermi and we're about to check out the beach, which is just below the street here. And after that we're going to check out the town. We already passed by there yesterday. It's like the old town and it looks pretty much like Greece, very fancy, well, very traditional, let's say, very beautiful. The first thing we need right now is some cold seawater, so we can have some refreshment because it's really hot right now. So let's go.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more travel videos every week.
So we actually hear that Dhermi is pretty expensive, so we're going to check out some prices to see what the difference is with other parts of Albania.
Before enjoying the crystal clear water from Dhermi beach, we had to do something else. Eat.
Instead of swimming, we're going to check out some food first.
The most important, so we have energy to swim.
Yeah, that's what we need. We have some salads here to start. Salad,
Paprika.
salad and paprika soup. And for the next course, we have chicken fillet with French fries, some cheese with oregano. Looks very delicious. And Jessica is still waiting for her fish.
Got salad.
So what do you have there?
Fish.
So we just had a lunch, and indeed here at Dhermi beach, or Dhermi in general, it's a bit more expensive. We paid 2,200. Well, Jessica had a complete menu with soup, salad, fish, drinks. I had a chicken fillet with a salad and a drink. So it's not that bad, but still I think probably almost double the price as in some other places in Albania. Ready for some beach action?
Yeah. No.
After the delicious lunch, it was time for some swimming. The water looked stunning and the temperature was great. Also worth noticing was that we were almost alone at this beach in the middle of the summer.
About Dhermi beach. There's a long promenade and you can walk all the way to the end, which is just right there, and everywhere there are seats. Mostly the beaches here in Albania have these kind of rocks like this, and they tend to get very hot, which is a little bit painful on your feet, so make sure you wear some flip-flops or sandals or whatever, because it's very necessary.
We had our refreshment and now it was time to explore the old town of Dhermi.
So when you go up from Dhermi beach, about 5 minutes driving, you will see the beautiful old town of Dhermi. That's what we're going to check out right now. It looks really beautiful. You have all these traditional houses, a small chapel right there, another chapel somewhere there. Looks very beautiful, like brownish, with the hatches to close the windows and everything. Looks very beautiful. That's what we're going to check out right now.
The buildings in Dhermi are influenced by Greek architecture. We called it the Santorini from Albania. It was so beautiful.
So just walking around a little bit in the town of Dhermi, the old town, which is a little bit higher up from the beach, and it looks like they're renovating everything here. The streets, the houses, everything is being renovated. So probably soon this will be a very beautiful town.
If you're coming to Albania, definitely put Dhermi on your to-visit list.
This town is really beautiful, and I don't understand, we only saw one person and we're walking already half hour here. It's really quiet here. I'm guessing everybody is at the beach, so this is the perfect time to explore this town. It's really cozy, beautiful, quiet. I like it. Alright guys, this was it for the video of Dhermi. We went to the beach, we checked out the old town, which is very beautiful. It's pretty much completely under construction. Some parts are already finished and look very beautiful. And now we're heading to Ksamil, so make sure to check out also that video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Albanian videos. Also check out the previous videos and give the video a big thumbs up. And see you in the next one.